there, in this video we are going to look at conditional visibility. For this example, we are going to hide the interest rate element based on mortgage amount. So if mortgage amount is less than, let's say, 2000, we are going to hide the interest rate. So first of all, we're going to select the interest rate, and then we'll be toggling the conditional visibility. This is asking you for a variable. So currently we don't have that variable that returns boolean or true or false value. So what I'll do is from the right side where I'll go in variable and add a custom variable. For this one, what I want is, if I press @ it will show me the rest of variables that I already have. So what I want is the mortgage amount. If it is less than, if it is, so basically whenever the formula returns true, we will show the element. So what I will say is um, when the mortgage amount is greater than 2000, we are going to show interest rate. Show interest rate. So we just created our variable. Now what I will do is I'll just select that variable show interest rate under our conditional visibility. If I have some more elements, I can just reuse my existing variable. I don't need to create another one. So let me just preview our element and see. If we have mortgage amount, let's say 2000, we are not showing that element, but as soon as we reach more than 2000, we are showing that interest rate. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.